Welcome to Goofing Off-Road, I'm Tony. Now that we've got these bigger wheels and tyres on the Power Wagon, we need to tell the truck's computer that the tyre size is larger and the tyre pressure is lower. We're going to use the AEV ProCal SNAP to do that. If you haven't already installed your ProCal SNAP and you'd like to see how, you can watch this video. The first step for adjusting the tyre size is to measure the height of the tyre with the weight of the truck on it. Even though the manufacturer says you have tyres of a certain size, you may find when they're on your truck and it's weighted that the height of the tyre is different, so it's important to measure the tyres that you have. I'm going to measure the tyre on the rear axle because that's where the speed sensor is. To measure the height of the tyre, I'm going to put a straight piece of wood at the top in the centre. I'm going to make sure it's level, and then I'm going to measure from the piece of wood to the ground. So even though the size of the tyre I bought is a 37, they measure 35.5 inches tall. Now that we have that height, we can go ahead and program it in. To begin the process, press the start engine button twice to put the truck into run. And then insert the ProCal SNAP into the OBD2 port. You should see a green light. Now we're ready to begin. If, as you're adding a feature, the brake light on the dashboard starts flashing quickly, then take your finger off the button you're pressing and your foot off the brake. The horn should beep twice and the programming should complete. Turn on the stereo, go to Media, and then select Sources and pick the AM radio. Click on Audio Settings and you should see the equalizer. Make a note of where the settings are now so you can go back to them later. Set the tyre size in inches using the equalizer. In this case, as we have a 35.5 inch tyre, we're going to set the base to 3, the mid to 5 and the treble to 5. Once you set the tyre size, press and hold the brake pedal with your foot and press and hold the cruise control resume button until the brake light flashes on the dash or until you hear the horn beep twice. That means the tyre size has been programmed in. Now it's time to adjust the tyre pressure monitoring system, or TPMS. These larger tyres run lower pressures. I called CJC Off-Road, who install larger tyres on these trucks all the time, and they advised me to start at 45 psi at the front and 40 psi at the rear. The factory setting is 65 psi, so we're going to get an error and we want to adjust it so the error goes away. To do this, we're going to go back to the equalizer. We want 35 psi to be our setting, so we're going to set base to 0, mid to 3, and treble to 5. Press and hold the brake pedal with your foot, and press and hold the cruise control cancel button until the brake light flashes on the dash or the horn beeps, and that will program in the TPMS. I'm not aware of any other product that can program the tyre pressure and the tyre size on the Power Wagon. If you know of another tool that can do this, then please comment below to help us all out. As always, I hope this was useful. Please like and subscribe for more cool videos.